Thanks for checking out this week's video. Today in the GTI, we're gonna work on the sunroof. I got a couple of sunny days this weekend in the Pacific Northwest, so we're gonna try to see if I can get that finished. Nervous about a little bit of leaking. I've had a garbage bag kind of taped over it just to be safe, but the rain is coming, so I need to get this fixed, and then I can get the carpet and the seats and dashboard and everything else put in. So this is the next major step in the process, so let's get to it. After doing some research, it looks like the seal that goes around the sunroof actually doesn't do much other than just keep the wind out. So that's fun. So what I read is you need to take out all the drains. There's 4 of them. They get clogged and nasty. So I pulled them out. I shot water through them with a hose until they all came out nice and clean. So hopefully this will stop any leaks from building up inside the car. Realized when I set up that screw or whatever you want to call it here, and I set it in the middle, it now turns part way, and then I think it's getting jammed right here. So I need to remove this and readjust that screw all the way to the end, but the right side, so that it goes all the way and opens. If that makes sense. All right, I believe we're gonna be good now. Yes. There we go. All right, so all said and done, not too bad. Got the sunroof painted, so it looks nice up there. It was one of the worst looking spots of the car. Looks better now than it did. The seal looks to be good. It looks nice and tight. There's a small piece missing on this side up in here. There's a little pin that's supposed to help push the sunroof up. It looks like it's sealed, so we'll see. Maybe I might have to look into what that piece is. You can see right here, it's like a little lifter piece. Other than that, the sunroof is on. Looks like it's closed up. So next week we will try to tackle the fuse box and all the wiring that I'm looking at right now. Once that's done, I think we can get the dashboard and the carpet installed and get her out on the road. Until next time.